Alright, what is good, y'all? So, just picked up a new bike. This is going to be the new build for the channel. Going to be doing another stunt build, obviously, but basically this is just a bone stock Crf50, so it's a perfect little platform to like learn wheelies on and do all that, but basically going to be building it up. Today, base is just the plastics kit we got here from Amazon in this tiny little bundle, but I'm basically gonna just take off the plastics and show you guys all that, what it looks like, and then just basically get right into it. All right, so as far as taking the plastics and seat off, it's pretty simple. 2 clips and 2 screws right up here on the tank, and the clips right down here. Then you just got 2 bolts right there on the back. Then I'll basically just pop and slide off. Caught up on something over here. But yeah, basically once you have this all off, it's pretty self-explanatory. So, I mean, I'm not really gonna film too much. Basically show you guys before and after. So, just basically go through, take out all these screws and switch over to your brand new plastics. Pretty self-explanatory, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch those over now and then start throwing it back on the bike. Alright guys, so didn't really film much because I got work early in the morning. Just wanted to get it done real quick, but still got all the plastic wrap on. Here's a little sneak peek of how it looks. I really like the black, especially with the stock seat. Even though I'm eventually gonna go with the BBR, do like how this looks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just take off these plastics and show you guys how. Hope you guys liked the quick, short little video, just basically showing you guys the Amazon Crf50 plastics. They honestly bolted on just basically just like stock. Only thing that gave me a little problems were these ones right here. You just kind of got to push on the plastics a little when you put them in, but other than that, it looks really good, and yeah, definitely would recommend them. So yeah, if you guys need some plastics, just go ahead to Amazon, and yeah. But yeah, I'll probably catch you guys in the next one. Peace.